Good morning out there. It's pretty cold out there. -14. So I'm gonna open it up and give it a review. I don't have nothing to use it on or anything like that, so I'll just see how it works. That's all I can do. I got that diesel heater on, so you know it's down there. There, I'm sure you're gonna hear it. I'm gonna hear it when I play this video back, but that's the way it's gonna be because you know it's cold. Pretty nice case, so. That's what it. Body comes with instructions. So I'll put a couple of them together. I had one before, and someone borrowed this here, and then I never got that back. And then I had it somewhere, and someone helped themselves to it. That's what happened. Borrowed it or something, and then someone else took it. Alright, yeah. This out. First I'll show you. I'll take this out too. There. So it's got all these that's one solid one, and then got this here. 1, 2, 3. Got a foot. Set this over here for now. Alright, so I'll got this here first. It's just got a protective sleeve on there. All you gotta do is they usually come apart pretty easy. There's one. No big deal. And the foot. Sleeve back on so it don't damage that. And you just now that worked. Now we'll try this here. Slide that in. Thread it on. Oh yeah. One more time. Does work good. Mine didn't retract like that good. Mine, I don't know what brand it was. I suppose it was Harbor Freight or something. I don't know. Take that off. Put that back in. A little oil out of there, but it's good. At least it's got some. Alright, so it's a 1.4 amp Porta power hydraulic jack repair toolkit power set auto tool 6 ton. It's $163. I'll put the link in the description. There's a coupon code. I think you get like, I don't know, 5 or 10% off or something like that. Thick and solid construction ensures long-term service life and stability. Contains equipment needed for repairing, pushing, pulling, bending, straightening, spreading. It's got a long handle. They got a 10 ton, a 12 ton, a 20 ton, and this is the 6 ton. So there you go. So anyways, yeah, I just, you know, the weather's been really cold around here, and man, I was working on my 68 C20, and then the blower motor on the furnace went out, so I was messing around with that, and no one would come out. Called 5-6 different places, couldn't get no one to come out here. So I went over to the city and got one up for free from the junk pile and put it in. So I wonder what that guy's doing today. He's probably doing a lot. You never know with him. Yep, this diesel heater works good. Let me see the temp. Oh, damn. It's only about 78, 75 degrees in here, something like that. So, yeah, and it's let me see what it says on the computer, what the temp is. Minus 11. No, it doesn't say. Yeah, it does. Minus 11. What's up, guys? It's No Parts Garage. I laugh every time I see you do that. You know, I'm too old to be running around like that. What's up, guys? It's No Parts Garage. So, alright, people, there you go. You know, pretty decent. Like I said, you obviously know I haven't really tried it out, but I'm gonna. Buzzard Customs. Hey, there's that RAV4 guy. Woody. Iron Horse. Legacy. Mike Smith Jeff. I should go to Minot and bug that guy and do a collab. Well, alright guys, I gotta try to get something done here, so thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Always do. Leave me a comment, like, share, and subscribe. I'll appreciate that. See you on the next one.